Hi, this is Steve from Unique Quality Contractors, your one-stop station for a complete renovation. Today we encountered some cracks in the concrete on the foundation, which we're going to be fixing with hydraulic cement and blue seal, and don't worry, in the spring it's already going to be fixed over from the outside. There also was a subfloor with complete mold damage that we totally removed. Wooden subfloors are very old school. A lot of the new material you can buy can have subfloor with drainage underneath, built in with the material, or you could go dry core, a couple different things. What we have here is Richard in his yellow vest, important yellow vest. Canada needs that. He's putting the blue seal on the wall. Prior to that, we did use the hydraulic cement, and then we got Yarek over here, man, a few words.
Okay.
He's Polish, don't worry. What's he doing? He's just working on a drain. Yeah, he's just working on a drain. We got to do, I don't know if you can see that, basically tying a drain for a custom shower, right, which we're working on right now. And stay tuned, more pro rentals to come. We want to show you the finished product.